There is, but I don't know what line to call.
Saving a bird at midnight.
No, because if you leave him, he's gonna get run over.
Hold him like that. Then he bites.
Zach's well experienced.
Good job, man. Job, Zach.
Oh, he wants to fly. Where are you gonna take him?
On the grass safely.
Poor thing, actually.
But the poor little baby.
He just chucks it in the van.
Zach's like, wow.
Yeah, you can't see anything.
Wait, where are you gonna take him from?
You taking a video of this, Matt?
Oh yeah,
It's good eating.
it's a little birdie, you know.
Just kidding.
Can't see anything though. Oh, there you go. Rescuing the birdie.
Oh, I don't know.
What a beautiful creation. Just chilling in the middle of the road.
Not sure why he's not weighted now. He's a big boy. And then if you're here in the morning, I'll call the service.
Poor baby. Are you gonna call in the morning?
Good night, birdie.
Put that flashlight on. What do you? He's gonna be cold. Oh wait.
Yeah, turn the flash on.
He's gonna be cold.
You turn the flash on.
I rescue.
Someone turn the flash on.
I'm gonna give you a high five right
You can't see it. Good job, Zach.
Do you think someone's gonna come eat him
It's
tonight?
like midnight.
Camo.
Is that why you did that?
Turn the flash.
Why do you think a hobo would come and eat him, Mom?
Alright.
Thanks,
Okay, well, it's a video,
Hopefully
guys.
he's okay. That's so sad.
Successfully saved a bird in
Matt, Mom, why would
the
you?
middle of the road. All thanks to my older sister's boyfriend. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a week since I posted, since this huge pandemic and all. But I'll be posting a bit more. And thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
If you like more content and you love Matthew's videos, give these videos big thumbs up and remember to subscribe to all of his channels, except he only has one. So subscribe to his channel, give it a big thumbs up, and turn on your notification. Comment down below what you think was the best part of this video. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out, and remember, stay happy. Bye.